Hi, I'd like to talk to you about a new brand of teeth manufactured by Shofu. What makes these teeth so special is that the posterior teeth also come with individual teeth preset into an occlusal template, the QPACK. What this does is allow the technician, denturist, or even the dentist to set up a full upper and lower set of dentures in perfect occlusion, including working, balancing, and protrusive movements, and the ideal curve of Spee and curve of Wilson every time. The QPACK stands for Quick Quality Quadrant, but let's just call it the QPACK. The key here is simplicity. Nothing special is needed to use the QPACK. The upper 6 anteriors are set, followed by the lower anterior. Next, the lower QPACK is placed. But I'd like you to notice a few things about the template. Each QPACK has the mold, shade, and size clearly marked. There's a line over the central fossa of all 4 posteriors. This line helps you accurately set the QPACK directly over the crest of the ridge. The notch on the mesial of the lower first bicuspid is placed on the distal of the lower cuspid. The QPACK is then pushed into the softened wax rim, making sure the line on the top of the QPACK is directly over the crest of the ridge. The distal of the second molar is set even with the line 2/3 the way up the retromolar pad. Repeat the steps for the adjacent quadrant, making sure that both templates are parallel with each other. Looking at the template from the front view, make sure the template tab is parallel with the plane of occlusion. Flow a little bit of wax on the buccal and lingual surfaces of the teeth to hold them in place. Finally, press down on the lingual of the template and lift up on the buccal rim of the QPACK to remove. The process of setting posterior quadrants takes only about 15 seconds each. What we have is perfect occlusion, including working, balancing, and protrusive movements, and the ideal curve of Spee and curve of Wilson. Next, the setting of the upper posterior teeth is simple. They just drop into place. So in less than half the time, we are able to set up the perfect upper and lower try-in. Ideal working, balancing, and protrusive movements, the perfect curve of Spee and Wilson means the denture will stay in better with fewer sore spots and no lateral interferences, which are dislodging forces. Now we are able to satisfy the patient's functional needs as well as their aesthetic needs. And isn't that what we're all about? Satisfying the patient? Let's keep them smiling. Thanks.